This is Kerry Hearsey for Loughborough College, and this is the first instruction video for the Mahara portfolio. So once you've clicked into the Mahara portfolio, you will then get your front screen here. And so what we're going to look at first of all is creating your profile, and also then we're going to start looking at some of the features of the My Portfolio. So if you first of all click onto profile, your screen might be slightly different. If the version is different, they are just updating the version of Mahara, but the profile feature should still be the same. So once you've clicked onto profile, you can then begin to edit your profile and the information about you. So your name, first and last, should instantly come up because that's to do with the settings. You can add in a student ID number for any of the students that you're working with, or if you yourself have got an ID number, and the display name that you would like to be brought up for anybody that sees you, whether it be from comments or as part of your views or portfolio. You can also add in your contact information. Again, because your email is linked directly to your Mahara, that will come straight through, but you can add in any websites that you might be linked to, personal information, and obviously if you've got your institution address, you can add things in there. Messaging, you can link directly up to your AIM screen name or Yahoo chat, Skype username. So again, you can begin to link these two things in together. If you are working through Skype or have received a message through Skype, then both of those will be linked up. General information about your occupation and your industry as well. So once you've done all of that, you save the profile. If we go back to the very beginning, you can also change the picture of you. So actually what you need to do is just to click on the screenshot, or the picture of me has already been uploaded there, but if you want to put in a new picture, then you just browse the information, go into one of your pictures and click on a new image. That should now upload the file, and you would actually then select it just as this image has been selected as the default. Once the image is uploaded, like here, you would then select that one as your default. That would then become your image that everybody sees here in the profile section, and if anybody is looking for you or working with you. Also in here, you've got your resume or My Resume. This works off a basic Word format, so all the structuring and formatting is the same, but it's a great way for you to start to upload your information in terms of your CV or your resume. So you've got your cover letter there, which you can put straight in, fill out all the details on your education and employment. You can actually add these in directly here, or you can copy and paste from a Word document if it makes it easier. You also can add in your achievements, any goals, the skills that you've developed over the years, and any interests that you might have. This is also great for any students that can obviously come straight onto Mahara and instantly upload a resume, so that they can obviously export this out to potential education institutions and also other employment opportunities. So that's the first section that we've looked at. We're now quickly going to review some of the information in My Portfolio. So in My Portfolio, you've got My Views, My Collections, My Files, My Blogs, Export and My Plans. Now some of the language that's used in Mahara is slightly different to maybe some of the wording that you've heard before or used on the internet. Easiest way to remember is that your views are basically web pages that you've created. So these are pages that you can see, and also you can give access to others to see. You've got My Collections, which are basically bringing together those views as a collective. So you can create kind of tabs at the top of the screen so that you've got a collection of views or a collection of web pages. My Files is just where you can upload and store a lot of the files that you keep or want to use. Blogs, as just like any other blog, you can obviously integrate images, hyperlinks, and obviously then export these or transfer these into your views. Export is that it packages it all together, and you can then change it or take it to different institutions. And My Plans is where you wish to see yourself in the future.